I quit Fiverr after making a little bit over $1,000. A lot of people think freelancing platforms like this is the dream job, but actually it's not. When I calculated my hourly wage, I was making less than minimum wage. You may wonder why so many freelancers on Fiverr quit. This is partly the reason why. The simple truth is Fiverr is a stepping stone and not a destination. Getting started is pretty easy. The platform literally began with $5 services in 2010. But now, the competition is brutal. Freelancers flood in daily. You're fighting against thousands willing to work for pennies. Nobody warns you about this part. It's even worse when you have a full-time job. You think you can earn extra cash in your spare time, but think again. Clients expect immediate responses. They want quick turnarounds. Your side hustle starts stealing your sleep. Soon you have zero time for anything else in your life. Just your day job and Fiverr commitments. Here's the real game changer about Fiverr. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's more like freelancing boot camp. You gain experience, you build a portfolio, but you work for unsustainable rates. Smart freelancers use Fiverr as a launching pad. They build their skills and then they ditch the platform. They attract clients directly instead. Real freelancing success isn't about a quick $1,000. It's about an independent career that actually pays what you're worth. Check out more of my Truth Reveal videos.